Hi guys, we made it to Florida for our honeymoon, and we're at the Ocean Beach Club Hotel. And we're about to check into our room. Our room number is 349, so let's see how this looks. I didn't knock that over. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, first place is the bathroom. Um, it's okay. It smells like seafood, literally, no lie. I got a fridge. Good thing is we have a microwave. Fridge. Bathroom.
It's
Not a
okay.
fan. It's okay.
It's not too terrible.
Okay. Come. Jesus Christ. All right. Is there anything back here? No. Okay. Well, this is the room. Um, Bed is nice.
Bed
Got a
nice and
little.
big. Mini little table to eat at. It's pretty plain in here. There's no wall decor of any kind. Mini kitchenette,
Oh, a little stove.
a little stove, sink, even got some utensils to use. Not bad.
Turn the light on. Um, a little couch.
It's throwing me off.
TV. We have a street view, which is really good because I would have went downstairs and told them that I wanted a street view. So we get to see all the tomfoolery. I feel like they need to paint more. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's kind of, yeah.
That looks to be in like this the east side, especially Florida. Like, or maybe I just been in the wrong areas, but
What?
like everywhere just needs a little more paint, a little touch up, a little more modern to it.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure like the buildings look bad on the outside, but I'm pretty sure the insides are like remodeled. Let's see how much closet space we get. Pretty cool, you know.
About average.
Yeah. What's that?
Store some stuff.
For some things. Um, I see. Oh Lord. I'm gonna say I like it a little, you know. I'm not a fan of the floors. I love hardwood floors in a hotel. Um, I don't know why, but I just do, okay? And then I don't like that down there. That's really tacky. They do need to fix that. They have plates and bowls and
Come with
cups,
dishes. Okay.
silverware, wine glasses. Um, People, when you go places, don't use the stuff. Clean it first. Pots and pans, trash
Trash
can,
can.
and there's the soap to clean that you guys need to use to clean the dishes. But yeah, it's okay. I'm gonna give this room. Um,
Are you rating it out of 5 or 10?
I'm gonna go do it out of a 10 because this hotel did have a lot of 5 stars. So if you have a lot of 5 stars, then you have to do it from 1 to 10. Now I'm gonna give it a 7. It's not giving what it's supposed to have gave.
Yeah.
I feel
And
like this couch needs to be updated. This is very old. Um, the closet area is nice. It's pretty updated. Let me step back. I don't know if it's this whole time you had it zoomed in. Ciao. Um, okay, here's a better view, guys. I'm sorry. This is the room. Um, I like this little seating area. I do say that. because I have class today, so I can't sit there and do that. Not a fan of the door. Y'all, when I go to hotels, I critique everything, and this is unacceptable. Um, this area is cool, whatever. It's just small, you know. We can't get ready at the same time, and if you do, you got to be skinny. Um, can't hang from this. Yeah, so this bathroom is really small though, you guys. It's giving me like yeah, claustrophobic vibes. I don't know. What's up here? Is this anything? Um, very creepy. Don't know what that is. Maybe it's like a yeah, don't know. Yeah. But maybe let me click on these. Maybe these open or something. Nope. Y'all, I thought that was a bug. They was about to get me back downstairs. But I like it. It's cool. Whatever. You check the beds.
I checked the bed.
He checked the beds, y'all. Listen, when you come to a hotel, you have to check the bed. You gotta make sure there's no bugs, all of that. And then when you leave, you have to take all of this off and put it on the floor because hotels, they will, if there's nothing on the bed visible, they will make this back up and act like we never was here for the next person. So always remember that. But yeah, guys, this is the room. Again, we're at Ocean Beach Club Hotel in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Yes. And it is at 4051 North Ocean Boulevard, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, 33308. Again, this is Adrienne and